Y'all, the day has come. My package is here. My package is here. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys can't already tell, I'm excited, clearly. I've been waiting for this day to come since I heard about it. So this package has been 2 weeks in the making, almost. So if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs this video up. Go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into this Fenty collection. So I did go and test out the lighter shade, the Who Needs Clothes shade of the Body Lava in the store. And also when I was in the store, I picked up this beauty right here. Now when I saw this online, I knew that I didn't need it, but I needed it at the same time. Like, it's just so beautiful, and I'm just so ready to put it on the vanity in the apartment that I do not have. So I already used it. I didn't want to make this video until I got the brown sugar Body Lava, so that's why I waited, but I just put everything back in the package. I'm clearly not going to throw any of this away, because what else would I put it in? But let me just go ahead and take this off for you guys. So this is the powder puff, the glittering puff ball. On the back of this, it says that the color is Rose on Ice. It's a plush shimmer packed puff, instant body glitz. Dab pre-filled puff over entire body for an ultimate bejeweled finish. Now when I tell you, when I used it, I didn't have any problems, and my hand is kind of ashy, so I'm gonna put some lotion on. But yeah, when I sampled it in the store, and I'll actually insert all of that in right now, to be honest. All right, hey y'all, so I just left out of work. It is 11:39 right now. I am not even supposed to be on break, but my managers are just cool like that, so I am on my way to Sephora. Hopefully they still have what I need. We'll see about it. And we have arrived. So I just put a little bit on my hand from the Fairy Balm. You can see it glistening. Don't mind me being ashy. And they have this one, but I don't want this one, I want the other one. Yep, that was way too much. I'm definitely getting the other one for sure. Oh my god, oh, I'm so excited. And we are done. So success. The only thing is I had to order the brown sugar one online. I wanted to use cash, but I had to end up putting it on my card. But that's okay. I mean, it's fine. But they had like 2 cashiers working with me to make sure that I got everything that I needed, and it didn't sell out on me, so that's great. So yeah, I'm so excited. Ooh, Don't mind my nose, y'all. Don't mind my nose. All right, so as you guys saw, I put on way too much of the Beach Please, and I mean not of the Beach Please, but of the Who Needs Clothes Body Lava. And I mean, I just thought I was trying to be like Rihanna, because I know y'all saw the Rihanna video of her putting it on herself, and I thought that's how much I needed. And clearly you don't need a lot of this product, so with either of it, honestly. So we're gonna start with this one. Here's the packaging. Rose on Ice at the bottom, the Fairy Balm. And once you take the top off, you get this beautiful little puff ball. It's so cute, even though it's so huge. That's why I knew that I needed it, because it was so big. And it smells like, I heard it's supposed to have like a vanilla smell, but I don't know, it kind of smells like ice to me, like freezer, vanilla, a little bit like vanilla. And I'm getting some type of fruit in there, but I don't know what. So I'm going to dab this on my chest right here. And it's actually like a pink glitter. I've already used this one, but it's like a pink glitter. So I'll just, and as you can see, I'm just lightly dabbing it very, very lightly on my chest. And I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I did not need to beat myself up with it. Now, I looked at the reviews on Sephora to see what other people thought about it, and a lot of people feel like it's very sheer. And honestly, what do you expect? It's a powder. Like, were you expecting a facial highlight for your chest? Like, I don't get it. I don't understand. It's a puffball. If you want something more extreme, that's what the Body Lava is for. Everything that she has isn't going to be super pigmented, but like this is just enough to like set the body powder with, you know what I mean? So like I said, I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to like put you guys on my boobies, but yeah, you can see it glittering, glistening. But yeah, I like it. It's pretty pink. It's like pink glitter pretty much, and it's soft. When I first wore it, I went to the gym with it on and everything after work. It was the same day that I picked it up, as you guys saw. I put it on at work. Everybody wanted to see it and everything, so clearly. And then after that, I went to the gym, came home, and it was still on my chest. So, and I saw in the reviews too that a lot of people were saying that it doesn't last very long. Again, I don't know what you're doing to make it come off, but I didn't have that problem. So, this is $42 USD. They have it online. I think they still have some online. But yeah, on the Sephora site, I believe it's limited edition. So if you haven't got it already, you need to hurry up, because this is really cute. And as soon as I get a vanity or get something for like all my makeup or whatever, it will be sitting on my table just like this. Like, I'm not even joking. It's so cute. I love it. And I'm so happy I got it. I don't know how long the powder lasts inside of it, but you know, in all honesty, it is more like a decorative piece in my opinion. If you're thinking like for the long run, but it's not something that you really need to use every day, so it could still last you a while. So yeah. So now for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's go ahead and unbox this Body Lava. Now, the color that you guys saw in the video that I put from me in the Sephora store, that was Beach Please. The color that I wanted was Brown Sugar, which is what I'm about to open now, and it was only sold online. So if you've been looking at reviews before me or like before today, pretty much nobody has it, because again, like, I had to ship to everyone else, and I don't really know like why they decided to put this color online, but whoa, this is bigger than I remember. This is way bigger than I remember. So $59 USD. It's like the same size as my head. Like, this is huge. So you're getting 3 fluid ounces. Let me look at the foundation. Yeah, so the foundation bottle is this big, and it's 1.8 fluid ounces, and this is 3 fluid ounces. So this is like 3 times the amount that you're getting, a little bit less than 3 times the amount that you're getting in the foundation. So like, this is really big, and in all honesty, you don't need a lot. Like, as you saw when I was putting it on in the store, I put on way too much. You don't need that much at all. So this will definitely last you a few summers. Now again, online, when I was looking at the reviews, a lot of people were saying that it's really sticky, that it transferred a lot, and I think it's because a lot of people put on too much. Like, everybody looked at Rihanna's video and went for that same amount. You really don't even need a full pump, is what I got from me testing it myself. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put a little bit less on, and I'm gonna do it on my shoulder. So let me see if there's anything. All right, so it says Silky Sublime Shimmer Dewy Ultra Lit Finish. And we will definitely see about that ultra lit. I'm ready. They're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Oh, and then right here at the bottom it says shake well before use. Okay. This is huge. This is huge. And if you guys are wondering about my like foundation color, I'm 440. So I'm a little bit on the darker side. And clearly this is the one I wanted because I am dark skinned. So the gold will definitely be beautiful in the summertime, especially like when I get tanned and all of that. All right, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna test a little bit on the back of my hand first. Ooh, see, I didn't notice all this in the store. It's like translucent. So I'm gonna just pump out a little bit. All right, come on. All right, this is literally a dime size amount, and I feel like that might be too much. Let's see. Oh, yep, that was too much. Too much. Oh my God, Brianna. Rhea, how could you? This smells familiar. I think it's also supposed to have like a vanilla scent, but it smells good. I'm so glad I got this one because I wasn't sure if I would like it because I couldn't test it out in the store, but yeah, definitely. So I have my own kabuki brush. I didn't buy any of her brushes because I pretty much have, like, I'm not like a brush collector or anything, so I don't get like repeat brushes. It's so nice. I love it. I like it. I don't think it's too much. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see the... Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit... Well, I'm gonna put way less on my shoulder just because I'm about to go over my friend's house and I don't want to transfer all of this onto her baby. I'm gonna put like a little teeny bit. Literally not a lot, guys. Like, literally. You see that? See how much that is? Not a lot. I barely even tapped the thing. And I'm gonna spread it with my brush. Give you a little Rihanna. That's really nice. It's very subtle. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna do some more. Put a little bit more on. Oop. Yeah, don't be like me, bruh. Do not be like me. So once again, a little dab, not a lot at all. And I'm pretty sure that will take care of that whole transfer problem. They're not gonna be able to tell me anything in the summertime. Just wait. Just wait. Wait on it. So here we are. The shoulder. It's glistening. It's gold flecks in it. Again, it's subtle, it's light. I don't get the stickiness thing. It's like a gel consistency too, and I think it has some oil in it. So, alright, so I didn't set my shoulder with anything, but I put way less on my shoulder than I did my hand. And I don't feel sticky, I feel like moisturized. Let me see if any of the glitter is gonna come off of my back of my hand, because I already have glitter on the front of my hand, so. And nope, no transfer. So it looks like the problem that everyone's having, saying that it's too sticky, is the solution is don't drown yourself. Like, you don't need to put on a full pump at all. Like, at all. You don't at all. You get a whole lot of product with this, so that makes me feel like she could have charged more than $60 for real, because you're getting so much and you literally need less than a pump. Now, the bottle is glass. I do think it's beautiful, like all the rest of her packaging. Her stuff is always beautiful. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go crazy with this in the summertime when I go on vacation. I got my hands on brown sugar and it's lit. And all of you dark skin and even light skin baddies out there need to go cop this. Seriously, like, if you're glistening and feeling like a goddess in the summertime or even in the wintertime, in the springtime, fall time, any time of the year, birthday time, holiday time, school time, anything, like, y'all need this, like, seriously. And again, like, you do not need to put on a lot at all. I'm not having any transfer of the glitter, really. It's a little bit coming off, but not much. And like I said, it's not making me feel sticky. I just feel, see, it's a little bit that came off. Don't look at this hand. This one, yeah, it's just a little bit, not really. Brown sugar, this is the one. Brown sugar, the last I looked, it was sold out online, and again, it's limited edition, so I don't know if they're restocking it or what. But if you didn't get it, then maybe it's on like Amazon or eBay, but you're probably gonna pay way more than $60 for it. So yeah, guys, final thoughts. I love it. Like, I love all of Rihanna's other stuff. As you guys, if you guys have been looking at my other videos, y'all already know that I'm like a Fenty beauty junkie. Like, I use all Fenty everything. Fenty setting powder, Fenty foundation. If she had concealer, I would use it. Like, so serious. Fenty gloss. Like, that's what I forgot. I forgot to put my gloss on. Super subtle. And then again, if you want to go heavier on it, this was like a dime size amount. This still wasn't a full pump that I put on the back of my hand, but it was a decent amount. And it'll definitely make you look like a bronzed goddess. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you guys. If you are on the fence about getting it, I say just go ahead and go for it. There is a lot of product that comes in the Body Lava, and the Fairy Balm it's not necessary if you're not somebody that's like really in love with makeup. It's something that you would really need to get if you like decorative things. But other than that, I think it's beautiful. I think both the packaging are beautiful. The products are pretty good to me, in my opinion. And yeah, so go ahead and thumbs this video up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that is going to be on the next screen and down below in the description for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.